Kublai pi baro ipneng subhai pi shikatup kubor mentakajan miat shaban pai shikubor kibubnya ini pitchwai kimat bekongsan. Lapin sangye no ekadorbar Raja Sabha hadian kejing persya nakaliang persya halor kejing jaha Manipur. Kular umudi ban kemi benya ya kejing dawa ban penteri kam mardor ya ke ILP bat kejing pendrung ya ke ketian Khasi bat garu haga kernet befra. Isyam benta umentri rangba ha kejing rakhi ya ke International Day of the World's Indigenous People. Bat persyang ke sokar ban penteri kam ya ke Shillong Smart City Project hapo usnam aja apusau ong umentri ketnat kam penroisor. Kikubor kibubnya. Raja Sabha lapin sangi no eka dorbar mentagasngi hadian kajing persya nakaliang persya halo kemat bayadai bat ke Manipur. Kumjuk ru haluk Sabha la sakhi ya kajing pensangi ya ke dorbar halo kene kejuk hi kemat. Ha kajing kenduk lang ha kayeng usyong kenor kayeng ujak div dhankar shim lasya ya kajing penbena ban pensangi balawan ra da kidekhot kaliang persya halo kajing kulmar ha Manipur bat kiwai dia kimat. Menteri rangba kejela ukonrat ke sangma ula ong bo menteri rangba adu keri Narendra Modi ula kular ban kemi benya ya kejing dawa ban penteri ka mardor ya ke inline permit lani ke ILP bat kejing pendrung ya ke ketian Khasi bat garu ha ke kernet bepra ke riti sensyar keri abakren halo ke ILP menteri rangba ula pensngau bo menteri rangba adu ula ong ba unsa kemi benya ya kene ke benta bo unsa kenjo ketian ru syakasoka jela. Agajuk kepor ula ong ba umentri rang ba adu unsaya keren ya kini kemat ba ketenat kampok yeng ke soka pedeng. Kemban syu kedau hang ni ke kenhun hapok ke jingelam usangma kelai kenduk bat IT ya ke dorkas sya umentri rang ba adu keri ban kerpat ya ke jing tuklar jong u halo ke ILP ke ketian Khasi bat garu lambat kuwai de kimat kibai dai bat kejela.
Of the people of the state for the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule, and for that also he understood the concerns that were there, understood the challenges that our people are facing. We mentioned to them that out of the entire process, the fact that our children have to sometimes are not able to give the examination because there are languages which are not known to them. Similarly for the ILP also, we expressed our concerns. Today happens to be the International Indigenous Day, and just one day before that we met Honorable Prime Minister and expressed to him the desire of the people of the state to have a mechanism in our state where we could have provisions through which we could protect the interest of the people of the state.
Menteri rangba kejela ukonrat ke sangma hinin kesngi oleh Shimbenta kejing rakhe ya ke International Day of the World's Indigenous People bala pelong dekat North East Indigenous Peoples Forum lani NEIPF Meghalaya chapter ha multi conventional hall Nehu Shillong. Aba ai jingkren ha kejing lang usangma ula ong ba ha bapai shiki trai muluk ki seng sain perthei beper ne ki kenhun seng ki don ye kejuk kathong kata ban penek pensa e kejing long kerpang ula kenturu ya ke NEIPF ban lum thup ya ki kot ki sla badon kam halo kejing long kerpang jong trai muluk beper kathan shatei lami ngi usang ma ula ong ru ba kasoka jela ke trailang ba ki lightly ki autonomous council ban lum thup ya ki kot ki sla jong ki benta beper ha ka liang ka lariti bat riti dustur jong ki trai muluk jong ka jela. Akan ia kesengi umentri rangba ulah pelait ru ia kekot Indigenous 2023.
It's about who you are, about your roots, about what makes you different from, say, another community. I will not use the word tribe because indigenous people are tribals and some are not tribals because that's just a classification being come out by Government of India, but indigenous is indigenous. So any community, the identity of who we are, what we are, our roots, that is what really this is all about.
Ka Jula Meghalaya ke persang ban pendep ya ke jing pentrai kam ya ke Shillong Smart City Project hashwa usnem ahajar arposau. Agapo balayo ya ke kaipot labatai bagatanat Housing and Urban Affairs ni MOHUA ke labu ya ke Shillong na pedeng kishipau teli ke Jela ki basniu tam hakabaya day. Bat ka jing pentrai kam ya ke Smart City Project Menteri Ketenat Ikam Penroi Sor Usngau Bhalang Dhar Ulaong bagajing pentrai kam ya ke projek kelaya syat-syat. Agajuk kepor ulah kubur bagi don katu kat ni kijing thut kentup ya ka jing penkendria ya kijing don kam ka balas lam sha ka jing slam ban pentrai kam ya ke projek.
We try to complete at the earliest, but because city projects, so there is some issue here and there, land and shifting of utilities. So we are trying to complete it at the earliest. Not hurdles. So suppose like to shift the electric poles, we have to discuss with MCL. To remove the water pipe, we have to discuss with PHE. That's why that is the reason we take times. Shifting of utilities is a tough job, not so easy, but still we are doing it.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad Ki Sangma ne ke sngi ulation benta ha ke le nyam be ding klam ke sin rat yalong haba ai jingkren ha ke jingelang usangma ulaong ba ke soka ke 3 minit bat kular ban ai ya ke jingkershan pisa ko mala ke dau da ke ha ke dorcas bala IT da ke sin rat yalong ka ba kentup ya ke jaka shong ki nong pet kai ne ke sitting gallery ka surok bat ki kam jong kai perthei ha ke juk ke por lara ko ba shipau terli ki knong da ki snong ba per jong ke sin rat yalong ha ka sngi kut jong ka jingle nyam
They have been very particular that this road and another few roads in this village need to be developed. Let me assure you, I have discussed this matter with our PWD department that we will be making this road also, and we commit that this road also will be constructed for the benefit of the area.
Ka Shillong All Faiths Forum lani saf kala rakhe ya kalingkhu sngi seng ka balai mentag sngi ka Meghalayan Legacy of Religious Harmony kala nang penklan shu da ka jing seng ya ka saf ka po bedon ka klam covid khat khandai ulat ka jela upagu chohan ulalong ukongsan abakran shikila patai khubor I bishop peeling do I belong I president jong ka Shillong All Faiths Forum ila khot lawer na ka benta bandon ka suk ka san ka jing long shipara bat ka jing teli ka wei ha ke imlang ka salang.
South is a small seed that we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that it will continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, what the government, what the society require of us, we the South is there always willing to help and to be of service to the society.
Mentang nyepet ya kajing long jingman ka sumbedeng Shillong kajing shit kalong R point pra degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong khat nyo point kendai degree Celsius kajing skam kau hau kalong pra prundin nakshi spa men step bat prapasan nakshi spa jan miet kajing half slap kalong R point enrio millimeters kala bandon kajing half slap ka ba malu malah ki babon ki jaka Shaban poi shek bakut jong thuk khubon I pe biang sa asin ni kini kimat bakong san Lapan sange no ekadobar Raja Sabah hadin kajing persya na kaliang persya halo kajing jaha Manipur Tular umudi ban khmi benya ya kajing dawa ban pentrai kam mardor ya ka ILP bat jing penrung ya ka klien Khasi bat garo ha krenet propra Yashim benta Menteri Rangba ha kajing rakhe ya ka International Day of the World's Indigenous People Bat persang ka sorkar ban pentrai kam ya ka Shillong Smart City Project po ahajar apusau ong Menteri Ketenat kam Penroi Sor Terpalok dagi tugi khubong la poisha bakut jong thup khubor jingi mentaka janmit hadu bang Indonesia mat pilasai kesngi hagajuk kapo kubeshi boni pibaro
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का